I wouldn't mind.
So the whole idea of the flavoring was to be of that nature, right? So they specifically blended it like that. Oh my goodness, hold on, pick time.
Okay.
Yeah, here with the damn mic. I am Brendan with the Diageo Reserve team. Today we are having our very first Bar Chef's Table. Basically this is the culmination of a handful of bartenders across the city of Kolkata. Basically we're going to put together some cocktails that they've invented. This time we're going to use the Johnnie Walker White Walker. It's a little showcase of some of the talent from across the city. We're going to have kind of a menu of sorts after we're done, and across 10 outlets for some time these cocktails shall be featured. This idea was put together by a group of people around town, and fortunately I get to be part of it with Johnnie Walker, this issue, I suppose. Thank you.
Hi, this is Tammoy from Greed. I look after the operation at Greed. What we have started today is called Bar Chef Table, which is a concept, which is a platform from all bartenders together in the city of Joy. And it's going to be an ongoing event in every 3 months. We're going to arrange it. 10 famous bartenders will be part of it each time, and they're going to produce handcrafted cocktails, and also this is something where bartenders comes together to share their creativity and their knowledge. There is no action, there is no competition, nothing. So it's on a off days of bartenders, they're coming together and they're enjoying over the drinks and their knowledge. And we are also creating a dossier which will have all the bartenders profile, at the same time their creativity, their created cocktails. So that's all about it, and we just Bar Chef's Table is all about creating a platform for all the budding bartenders in the city. Thank you.
This is Indranil representing Papaya Kolkata. Today we are arranging Bar Chef's table and this is amazing. You're coming up again, so just stay tuned.
Hi, my name is Mathew Lepcha. I'm from IT's Sonar Hotel. Today we have organized a Bar Chef's table in Grid. This was very successful. I'm so happy and it was well executed. We'll come up more in future with this to bring up Calcutta bartenders into a new heights and platform. Thank you.
So my name is Amardeep Sinha. I am representing the Salt House, Kolkata. And today the competition or whatever was organized by the great Tammoy Roy in Indonesia is very nice. And I enjoy it like anything. It's amazing. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Sourav Singh representing Pink's Cafe Orient in Kolkata. I currently am working as a beverage manager there. So it was really a great experience here. I can say the experience turns a great into a great flavor. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Nabyendu Das, representing the great. Pleased to have such a wonderful family to be a part over here. I'm presented by the Johnnie Walker, the White Walker. Thank you so much.
Hi, good evening. My name is Shael Bhardwaj, and today, the bar chef experience was amazing. And I will thank all of my fellow colleagues who are there together. Making cocktails and sharing cocktail recipes was amazing. Thank you so much, DIG, to support us as a fellow bartender, and also Brandon and Tammoy Roy and all our friends here, all friends bartenders. Thank you so much.
Hi, this is Nilashish. I'm representing someplace else, the park, for the bar chef table. It's an honored moment for me to share the stage with the topmost 10 bartenders of the cities. And this is the first round. I'm so happy for it.
Hi, myself, Acharya. I represent Ember Kitchen, Ozura in the parking lot. It's a great experience and great honor to be a part of this. It's the first time in Calcutta where the entire top level bartenders are participating. It's not actually participating, we are sharing our experience. It's the best place where I can share or you can do everything. Thanks.
Hi there, this is Anubrata Mukherjee from the lobby bar Zone by the Park. We are here today, it's for bar chef table, and we are sharing the experience, knowledges and our work fun. And we are here for some more fun. Thank you.